Right now, an object from deep space is speeding through the outer edges of our solar system, well past the orbit of Jupiter. It's moving at over 137,000 miles per hour, a trajectory so steep and a speed so violent that the sun's gravity cannot hold it. It's passing through our backyard once, never to return. This is 3I-ATLS, the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected by human eyes. When telescopes first captured its silhouette, scientists assumed it was just another cosmic wanderer, a standard comet cast out from a distant star system billions of years ago. But as the world's most advanced observatories turned their lenses toward it, the data started coming back wrong. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and teams of global researchers began uncovering anomalies that defied standard physics. It wasn't just venting gas, it was moving sideways. It possessed an unnatural system of perfectly symmetrical jets, and its very existence forces us to confront a terrifying question. Is this an ancient piece of ice, or a dead civilization's missing technology?
To understand why 3I Atlas has left astronomers deeply divided, we have to look closely at its behavior when it rounded our sun. Normal comets burn. As you approach solar heat, their frozen volatile gases vaporize, pushing them directly away from the sun like a natural rocket booster. But NASA's data and subsequent high-resolution imagery from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed something bizarre. 3I Atlas exhibited a non-gravitational acceleration that was not directed away from the sun. It was being pushed sideways. When researchers stripped away the chaotic glow of the outer coma, they discovered a phenomenon never before seen in nature: a perfectly symmetric system of three mini-jets spaced exactly 120 degrees apart from one another alongside a singular sunward propulsion tail. Natural rock formations break irregularly. They crack under uneven heat. How does a natural comet construct three perfectly geometric, equally separated exhaust points?
The mystery deepens when we calculate the sheer volume of space. If 3I-Atlas is a completely natural comet, it means interstellar space must be absolutely packed with them. Statistically, for us to see three interstellar objects in less than a decade, Oumuamua, Borisov, and now Atlas, means trillions of these objects must be drifting through every sector of the Milky Way. But here's where the math breaks. Astrophysicists calculated the mass budget required to produce this many natural comets. To throw off this much debris, the planetary disks around distant, ancient stars would have to contain orders of magnitude more material than actually exists. According to the numbers, 3I-Atlas shouldn't exist. There isn't enough raw cosmic material in the galaxy's history to birth this many rogue rocks, unless they aren't rocks at all. What if we are looking at the cosmic equivalent of space junk, artificial debris manufactured by civilizations over a span of 7 billion years? This brings us to the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life is out there, why is the universe so quiet? Where are their radio signals? Where are their empires? The answer might lie in the concept of the Great Filter, the theory that all advanced civilizations eventually hit an evolutionary wall and destroy themselves before they can colonize the stars. If that is true, their radio broadcasts would die out in a few centuries, but their solid technology, their ships, their probes, their automated orbital platforms, those would drift through the freezing vacuum of space forever, inert, timeless, ghost ships of extinct worlds. Scientists call this the cosmic sibling theory. As our mapping systems and telescopes improve, we will eventually detect hundreds of these interstellar wanderers, and among them, we will find duplicates, objects with identical trajectories, matching metal signatures, and the exact same symmetrical propulsion anomalies, siblings born from the same cosmic factory. If these objects are indeed manufactured, they likely belong to a class of technology known as von Neumann probes. These are self-replicating machines sent out by highly advanced civilizations to map the galaxy. When a probe enters a new solar system, it uses raw materials from asteroids and comets to harvest energy, repair its systems, and construct exact duplicates of itself. This explains the mass budget paradox. The universe isn't packed with trillions of objects launched from a single planet. Instead, a few hundred original probes have spent billions of years replicating exponentially in the dark. 3i/Atlas didn't just stumble into our path. It was harvesting our system's outer resources. The symmetrical mini-jets are not just propulsion. They are precision mining tools, designed to slice through iron-rich asteroids with mathematical perfection. We aren't looking at a simple comet. We are looking at an autonomous cosmic explorer, fulfilling a mission given to it by a civilization that turned to dust eons ago. As you watch this video, I3I Atlas is already fading from the view of our ground telescopes. It crossed our solar system, gave us a glimpse of its impossible geometry, shook our understanding of astrophysics, and is now heading out into the dark spaces between stars. It will never pass this way again. Are we looking at a simple comet with anomalous physics, or did humanity just witness the passing of a multi-billion-year-old relic? The data's out there, hiding in the dark. Soon, our own probes will leave this solar system, carrying our own history into the void. Will we become the ghost ships of tomorrow, discovered by some distant civilization billions of years from now? If you want to keep tracking the deepest mysteries of our universe, hit that subscribe button, leave your theory in the comments below, and turn on notifications. The universe is speaking to us. We just have to learn how to listen.